I'm Melanie Lowther.
And I'm Matt Kuhn, founders of Taurus Vascular.
Let's take a moment to meet John. John's an active 67-year-old grandfather who has embraced a healthier lifestyle after quitting smoking 10 years ago. What John doesn't know is that a silent threat looms within his body, ready to strike unexpectedly. Inside John's abdomen is an abdominal aortic aneurysm, a ticking time bomb waiting to rupture. This abnormal bulge of his aortic artery is like a slowly inflating water balloon with an ominous uncertainty of when it might burst. The consequences of rupture are dire, with a survival rate of less than 20%. It's a catastrophic event that could shatter the lives of those around him. There are 1 million people like John who are diagnosed every year, and even with a diagnosis, there's still a possibility of rupture. But breakthrough technology has arrived. Taurus Vascular is developing the revolutionary solution that diffuses the aneurysm bomb and restores peace of mind to patients like John. Traditional treatments like EVAR try to delay the inevitable but fall short. In EVAR, blood is rerouted through a tube-like device to reduce pressure. But up to 50% of the time, patients develop a dangerous complication called endoleaks. Endoleaks allow blood to leak back into the aneurysm, fueling its growth and creating pressure that increases a patient's risk of rupture. That's where Taurus Vascular steps in. Our solution is used in tandem with EVAR to relieve pressure from endoleaks and drain the aneurysm, which helps safeguard patients' lives. Our patent-pending technology works similarly to a pressure relief valve. With the use of a disposable catheter, we implant a specialized device that creates a drainage route between the high-pressure aneurysm and a low-pressure nearby vein. It's an intuitive design that integrates effortlessly into the existing clinical workflow. Patients deserve to live with confidence, and families like John's want to know that their loved one is safe. Taurus Vascular is building the technology to provide that assurance.
The initial go-to-market population are patients who have already undergone EVAR and are in need of endoleak treatment. Existing endoleak treatment devices cost up to $25,000 per procedure. Using a conservative pricing floor of $7,500 for initial pricing estimates, this beachhead market represents a $300 million market opportunity. Existing endoleak treatment devices cost up to $25,000 per procedure. Using a conservative pricing floor of $7,500 for initial estimates, this beachhead market represents a $300 million opportunity. However, by integrating into every EVAR procedure, we can mitigate the effects of endoleaks and save countless lives. As a prevention tool to our target market, EVAR procedures represent an annual $1.9 billion market opportunity. Taurus Vascular is on target for FDA approval and commercialization by 2030 and will be the only approved device for this method of treatment. Anticipated to fall under existing reimbursement codes, Taurus is well positioned for FDA and CMS programs to accelerate adoption and ensure widespread availability. There's a strong case for strategic acquisition as the technology is brand agnostic and can drive revenue growth and market share expansion. Unlike ineffective and costly competitors that target only specific types of endoleaks, our novel technology tackles any and all variations while reducing procedure time and costs. Taurus Vascular is a recent spin-out from the Texas Medical Center Biodesign Program and was launched in early 2023. Melanie and I are joined by world-renowned cardiothoracic surgeon and inventor, Dr. Billy Cohn. Together, we harness over 50 years of healthcare experience in engineering design, hospital leadership, and clinical expertise.
Taurus Vascular isn't just a device, it's a promise of a brighter future. With just one quick and easy procedure, Taurus Vascular will provide patients like John and the clinicians responsible for their care the lifelong confidence that their risk of rupture is truly minimized. Taurus Vascular.
Diffusing the aneurysm bomb.
Transforming lives.